Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can update your Gardenscapes application on your mobile device. To update your Gardenscapes application, first of all go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your preferred mobile device. Now in the search box type in Gardenscapes. Look for the Gardenscapes game, this one over here, and then look if there is an update button popping up right underneath the name. If you see the update button, tap on it in order to update to the latest version of the game. If you don't see the update button, it means the app is already up to date. And that's how you easily update to the latest version available for your Gardenscapes application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.